prepare to feast with the beast and smash the like and subscribe button to join the gorilla family. For ingredients, we will need lamb shoulder meat with bonus 500 g chopped onions, 2 PCS pure tomatoes, 3 FPC green chili paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 2 tablespoons salt to taste, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 stick dry coriander, 1 tablespoon green card, 2 PC cloves, 2 PC, cumin 1 tablespoon fennel, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, black cardamom 1 PC, and oil 120. Start by grinding cinnamon dry card to enter green cardamom cloves, cumin, fennel seeds, and black cardamom into a powder spice and set aside. Then melt your butter into a cooking pot, then side onions in it till golden and add ginger garlic paste afterwards. Now add tomato puree and green chili paste and cook it till it thickens. Add all spices and cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Now add lamb meat and cover the lid and cook on low flame for 2 to 3 hours or till meat starts leaving bones. Garnish with mint leaves and julienne ginger and enjoy with bread or rice. Thanks a bunch for indulging your taste buds with us. Until next time, stay hungry and keep savoring the goodness, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.